So you're trying to launch your Single Touch Payroll STP and you're getting errors and it's not getting launched. What are the top 5 reasons why that could have happened? So welcome everyone to Neha's Bookkeeping Corner, and today we're going to get serious about what are our top 5 errors why your STP is not getting launched. Number 1 error that we generally see is if your employee tax file number is either invalid or not been entered correctly. So when you go into any of your employees and go to your taxes, that's where your tax file number lives. And if it is incorrect or not valid, this will give you errors. Number 2, if the software is not linked to ATO. So if you come here and you go to your Single Touch Payroll settings, you'll see that it is possibly not linked to the ATO. So the best thing to do is you can contact tax office by that number, by providing those details, and make sure it is connected. Number 3 is missing or incorrect business details. So if you go to settings and you go organization settings, and if your ABN is missing, your branch number is missing if applicable, it's not going to work. You want to make sure all those details are correctly entered. Now, the other reason could be that the user who is actually lodging it is not, the advisor hasn't got the right accesses there. That's probably another reason why STP is not getting lodged. Last but not the least, if within your payroll settings, your allowances are not set up correctly with the STP. So what I mean by that, if you come to your pay items, so see you've got your allowance right there. So you want to make sure the allowance type is selected. That is another reason why your STP will not be lodged. So these are my top 5 reasons why STP in your file or your client's file can give you a bit of a pain. So I hope you found this useful, and I hope your STP gets launched beautifully, smoothly, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye.